Hi children. So in previous video we discussed that concept 2 which is related to tan 3a, cot 3a, and that previous video what we discussed that sin 3a, cos 3a formulas, right? So here in this video we are going to discuss about that a by 3. Okay, discussed about that. Just substitute in just replacing that a by 3. Okay, why madam? Means here when we discussed about that multiples and submultiples, the first formulas sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a, that formulas we discussed, no? So at that places 2a formulas we are discussing. So at that places we are just replacing a by 2 to get that submultiple angles. Yes or no? So here also we discussed that 3a formulas. So here just we have to replace that a by 3. Why? Because here a by 3 which is a submultiple angle of 3a. A by 3 is a submultiple angle of 3a. Understand ma? So here a by 2 is the submultiple angle of 2a. A by 3 is the submultiple angle of 3a. Understand? So that's why here what is that concept we have to discuss now? On replacing a by 3 in place of 3a. In place of 3a. In which formulas? What formulas we discussed here? Sin 3a formula, sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a, cot 3a. Okay. These four formulas we discussed. No? So at the place of a, just substitute that a by 3. Then we will get that submultiple angles. Okay. So let us see that. What is that first formula here we discussed? That is sin 3a. So sin 3a formula, what is that? 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. That is the formula for that sin 3a. Now what they are saying? Just replace that a by 3. Replace that a by 3. So sin 3 into at the place of a, just we have to write that a by 3, which is equals to 3 sin a by 3 minus 4 sin cube a by 3. Sin cube a by 3. So here 3 and 3 gets cancelled, no? So here is sin a. Sin a is equal to 3 sin a by 3 minus 4 sin cube a by 3. So this is the submultiple formula for that sin 3a. So sin 3a, that is that multiple angle sin a. So here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. After we are getting here sin a, no? So sin a is equal to 3 sin a by 3 minus 4 sin cube a by 3. So this is the first formula which is related to submultiple angle. Okay. Next, second formula, see here. And the second one what we discussed, that cos 3a formula. So cos 3a formula, what is that? 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Now here again substitute at the place of a. We have to write that a by 3. So cos 3 into a by 3, which is equals to 4 cos cube a by 3 minus 3 cos of a by 3. Okay. So here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So which is cos a. So cos a is equal to 4 cos cube a by 3 minus 3 cos a by 3. Okay. So this is that second formula. Understand ma? How we written that? So first we have to write that sin 3a, cos 3a formulas we have to write. At the place of a, just substitute that a by 3. Then we will get that submultiple angle formulas. Next formula, see here. So next third one, tan 3a. So tan 3a is equal to, what is that formula here? 3 tan a minus 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. 1 minus 3 tan square a. So this is the formula for that tan 3a. What is the formula for that cot 3a? Here only I'll tell, see here. Cot 3a formula. Just like the tan only, no? So what is that? 3 cot a minus cot cube A whole by 1 minus cot square 3 cot square A. 1 minus 3 cot square A. So that is the formula for that cot 3A. Now what we have to do? Again same like that previous only, no? So tan 3 into, at the place of A just we have to write A by 3, which is equals to 3 tan A by 3 minus tan cube A by 3 whole by 1 minus 3 tan square A by 3. Okay, so this is the formula for that tan A. So which is equals to tan A. So what is the tan A formula in terms of submultiples? Here 3 tan A by 3 minus tan cube A by 3 whole by 1 minus 3 tan square A by 3. Okay, so like that only here in terms of cot. So cot 3 into A by 3, which is equals to 3 cot A by 3 minus cot cube A by 3 whole by 1 minus 3 cot square A by 3. So here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So this is the formula for that cot A. For that submultiple angle formulas. Understood ma how to write this? So to write that submultiple angles, which angles we have to learn? Multiple angles we have to learn. Okay, if we know that multiple angles, then easily we can write that submultiple angle formulas. Understand ma? So in continuation we have that another 3 formulas. Before going to discuss about those 3 formulas, just I will derive that one of the formula already I told you that is cos 2a. Okay, so cos 2a formula, what is that? We have that 3 formulas. What are those? Cos square a minus sin square a, and in the same way 2 cos square a minus 1. Another formula 1 minus 2 sin square a. Now here we are going to discuss about that sin formulas, cos formulas, tan formula in terms of cos 2a. In terms of cos 2a. Okay, let us see that. To express the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of angle A in terms of cos 2a. So children, here what we have to discuss? To express the trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios means here sin, cos, tan, cot, so and so. Okay. So to express the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of cos 2a. Okay. So here, before going to discuss about this one, here I am going to tell you one thing, that is cos square A minus sin square A. This is the formula for which one? This is the formula for that cos 2a. For what this is the formula? Cos 2a formula is cos square a minus sin square a. So here we have that another formula is there. What is that another formula here? That is 2 cos square a minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square a. Actually these 3 are the formulas for that cos 2a. Now just observe that, just leave this formula here. By observing these 2 formulas here, cos is there, here sin is there, and here these 2 are the formulas for that cos 2a. Okay, and here they are asking the trigonometric ratios of angle A, trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of cos 2a. So which formula we have to observe here? Cos 2a formula we have to see. So cos 2a, how many formulas we have here? 3 formulas. What are those 3 here? One is cos square a minus sin square a, and the second one is 2 cos square a minus 1, or in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, we know that these 3 are the formulas for cos 2a. Now here they are asking sin a formula in terms of cos 2a. Okay, so sin a formula in terms of cos 2a we need here. So how to write that? So here I am going to take that sin and cos 2a, no? So I am going to take that these 2 formulas here. Okay, I chosen that formula, that is cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, so from this one, just transpose the terms, then we will get that answer. See here. So from this one, cos 2a, here plus 1 is there, no? So if you want to change that one, or else if you want to directly change this term into that LHS, then we will get it as plus 2 sin square a, okay, plus 2 sin square a, which is equals to 1. Understand? Just we need to find that sin a only, no? So that's why here 2 sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. 1 minus cos 2a. So from this one, sin square a formula. Sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a whole by 2. 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So from this one here, sin a only, no, we required here. So sin a is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 2. 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So this is the first formula. What is that? Trigonometric ratio of the angle A, which means sin A in terms of that formula in terms of cos 2a. Okay, so what is that formula here? Sin A is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 2. 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Understand ma? This is the first formula here. Okay, now second formula, that is cos 2a, and here that is related to cos a. Okay, so I want to choose that as second formula. What is that? 2 cos square a minus 1. So here I am taking that one as cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Understand? From this one, here cos 2a and here minus 1 become as a plus 1, which is equals to 2 cos square a, which is equals to 2 cos square a. So here what we have to write? Cos square a formula, no? So cos square a is equal to cos 2a plus 1 or 1 plus cos 2a, whatever it may be, whole by 2. Okay, so here we need to find that cos a formula here. So cos a is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Understand ma? So what is the next formula here? Cos a is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos 2a by 2. So this is the second formula here. Understand? So sin a formula in terms of cos 2a we learned, and the second one cos a formula in terms of cos 2a. Don't be forget that. Okay. Next third formula, that is tan a in terms of cos 2a. Tan a formula in terms of cos 2a. But here cos 2a formula not having, cos 2a formula having that the formula in terms of tan directly. Okay, if you don't know that formula, then here another way I will tell you that, that is the tan a. Tan a, how we can write that? We can write tan a as sin a by cos a. Sin a by cos a. So which is equals to, this is for the tan a, no? So tan a we can write that sin a by cos a. So sin a is equal to, what is that formula we learnt? That is the square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 2 whole by square root of, this is plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Okay, individual formulas I written that for sin a and cos a. Okay, so this one we can write it as a plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 2 whole by 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Okay, so 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So from this one we will get it as a plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. So this is the formula for that tan a. So tan a formula in terms of cos 2a. Understand ma? So here these three are the trigonometric ratio of angle A in terms of cos 2a. Understand? So once again I am writing here, see all the formulas. Sin a in terms of cos 2a, that is a plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 2. 1 minus cos 2a by 2. And here it is cos a plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos 2a by 2. And here tan a. What is the tan a formula? Plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. Okay, children. So, here these three are the trigonometric ratios formulas in terms of cos 2a. Okay, for this one only trigonometric submultiple angles also we can write that. Submultiple angles, how we can write? So, submultiple angles means at the place of a, just we have to write that a by 2. Then we will get that formula, no? So, if you write that a by 2, so sin a by 2 in terms of cos 2a. So, sin a by 2 formula plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2 into a by 2 whole by 2. So, here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Then we will get it as plus or minus 1 minus cos a by 2. 1 minus cos a by 2. So, this is the formula for that sin a by 2. Okay. Next, cos a by 2. Cos a by 2 plus or minus just like this one only 1 plus cos 2a at the place of a by 2 whole by 2. So, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So, from this one plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos a by 2. So, this is the formula for cos a by 2. Next, tan a by 2. Tan a by 2, which means tan theta by 2. So, which is equals to plus or minus square root of, directly I am writing these two formulas here, 1 minus cos a by taking these two formulas, okay, 1 plus cos a. So, these are that submultiple angle formulas for that sin a by 2, cos a by 2, tan a by 2 in terms of cos a. In terms of cos a. And this is trigonometric ratios of angle a in terms of cos 2a. And this is cos a. Understand the difference? Cos a is there means here these are submultiple angles and here these are multiple angle formulas. Okay, children. So, up to here concept 2 explanation part completed. Okay, theory part completed. Next, we have to discuss about that worksheet 2 problems which are related to concept 2. So, that one we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you all.